fireworks flew inside the U.S. Supreme Court today. So that's the voice of a protester who interrupted arguments at the U.S. Supreme Court this morning. The justices heard two cases concerning same-sex marriages, and as Justice Anthony Kennedy pointed out, now there is a tough road ahead.
This definition has been with us for millennia, and it's very difficult for the court to say, oh, well, we know better.
Right now, same-sex marriages are legal in 37 states and the district. Suzanne Kennedy is live outside the court where protesters voiced their opinions on the issue all morning long. Suzanne?
Allison, to begin with, that protester that you referenced there was dragged out of the courtroom. Meanwhile, here on First Street outside the Supreme Court, it was a passionate and purpose-driven crowd that faced off here this morning. All of this while the justices inside debated the future of marriage here in the U.S. The historic debate brought out emotional demonstrators on both sides of this hot-button issue.
I don't understand the hate. I don't understand why anyone would care who I marry.
I simply oppose it because the Word of God says it's an abomination.
Colleen Condon and her partner stood in line to hear the oral arguments today.
It is amazing to be here.
They are hoping to get married this November in South Carolina with the assurance that their union cannot be voided.
It's important for us to have this done, to have it resolved across the nation, to end this fight that doesn't even make sense.
LGBT against God and against humanity.
Curbside debates took place throughout this crowd of several hundred. Tracy Grisham made the pilgrimage to the Supreme Court from her hometown of Amarillo, Texas. She opposes any marriage that's not between a man and a woman.
I'm on the side of God. I'm on the side of righteousness. I'm on the side of truth. And I oppose everything that is opposed to God.
The justices are expected to issue a ruling sometime in early June. Live at the U.S. Supreme Court, Suzanne Kennedy, ABC 7 News.